What is up, traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Weekly forecast here on NASDAQ. Starting off on the weekly chart, as you can see here, exactly what I said from last week. I did not expect new all-time highs. I saw us to sweep sell side or to retest is more likely for us to do than to just shoot up and sweep all-time highs and make new all-time highs. So that's exactly what happened, mainly on Friday. We had the majority of the move down happened on Friday, towards the end of the day on Friday. So looking at the weekly chart, we can see here we had this sweep. We rejected midpoint of this wick, so constant encouragement of this wick. About that, respected that. Look at the candle open. About respecting midpoint of that and then rejecting lower. Closing below 50% of this weekly candle. We drop down to the daily. We can see here there's multiple fair value gaps that there's one daily fair value gap that we've inversed. It's this right here. We've completely inversed that to the downside with force and momentum. We've closed below midpoint of this daily order block right here, which is a sign of weakness for price. So that's a sign that we want to drop lower, probably most likely. So what I'm seeing for next week is if we can maybe come up, do some sort of retest, maybe into this daily rally gap. Obviously, if we include the daily, the volume balance right there. See if we can retest that, maybe drop down to the lower time frames. Let's see the 4 hour. If there's any PD arrays, maybe this 4 hour order block, if we can retest into that, it kind of overlaps partially with this daily imbalance. So we want to see if price wants to come back up, maybe retest these areas, and to then later see us drop into these sell sides right here that I have marked out from weeks prior. You have these double or equal lows. You have this low right here, this low right here, and then ultimately these weekly lows right here. If you go on the daily chart, it's more pronounced. You can see that. So you have a lot of sell side liquidity that from last week. We were up here last week and I just didn't see price to come up and sweep all-time highs. I said that I want to see us come down and sweep, at least see these lows swept before then possibly pushing higher. So that's what I'm expecting this week. I want to see us come down and potentially sweep these two lows here. And then once that happens, see how price reacts. Does it want to push lower or is it going to reverse from there and then try to target all-time highs? But for now, I want to see us, if we can, respect this 4 hour order block. That's now a breaker block. And that daily imbalance that was created right here. See if we can respect those. If we can, that's good signs for us to push lower. If not, and we just push back up and respect them or inverse them again, then we'll be looking for a different scenario for sure. Maybe all-time highs from there. But as of now, I'm leaning towards us continuing lower to sweep out these sell sides over here. So that's going to be it for this weekly forecast. Hope you guys found this insightful. If you want more pre and post session analysis just like this, feel free to follow me on my free Discord. Link is in the description. Also, if you're struggling with trading or starting out, feel free to book your free discovery call to see if you qualify for my mentorship. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.